Hello, let's begin the session number 14. The topic is hardware solution to critical section problem. So in this session we are going to discuss what is the hardware solution, program and critical section, program lifetime and its structure, structuring programs, solution to critical section problem, algorithm for process PI, two process executing concurrently, synchronization hardware. First of all, we are going to see what is the hardware solution for the critical section. So synchronization hardware means what here? It is the hardware based solution to resolve the critical section problem. In our earlier content, in the sense of what, the last slide, session number 13, we are discussed what is critical section. So we discussed critical section, how multiple process sharing common resources must be synchronized to avoid the inconsistency results. So here synchronization, the process sharing common variable in two ways. So here two ways we are going to solve this critical section problem. So first one is what? The software based solution. Software based solution in the sense of what? Which is included Peterson solution, and the second one is what? Hardware based solution. So now we are going to discuss today's session what is hardware solution, which is referred to as synchronization hardware or hardware synchronization. So many systems provide hardware support for critical section code. So unique processes means what here? Processors could disable the interrupts. Disable interrupts in the sense of what here? Process, for example, if there are two processes P1 and P2. So when the process 1 is executing in the critical section means what here? Critical section means the code of segment. So that code is executing in the critical section. That time if the process P1 is executing and P2 are waiting for to finish the execution of P1. So here unique processor means what here? This processor could disable this interrupts. Interrupts means what here? Waiting for P2 here, and this unique processor means interrupts this P2 means what? This P2, after interrupting this P2, it is not disturbing for P1 unless and until P1 should be finished its execution in the critical section. Currently running code would execute without preemption. Generally inefficient on multiprocessor system. Operating system using this not broadly scalable. Means what here? Insufficient to run the two multiprocess in the critical section. For that why we are going to adapt this uniprocessors could disable the interrupts. Second one is, in the nowadays modern machines are provided specify atomic hardware instructions. Atomic equal to non-interruptible means what here? It is not going to interrupting any other processes. Here what happen? Either test memory word or set value or swap content of two memory words. So here these operations we are going to use for what? The nowadays modern machines, which are those test and set. and swap. These are the operation for using hardware solutions. Now solution using fetch and increment. So here given one example here, int next ticket equal to 0 comma serving equal to initially 0, means here two variables are defining and one mutex begin, means mutex in the sense of what, mutual exclusion. So here it is only allowing only one process to execute in the critical section. So open brace int my ticket equal to FAI in bracket next ticket. So here initializing tickets in the while condition, my ticket is not equal to serving. So here end with this while loop and here closing, then mutual exclusion and mutex end, then here initializing plus plus serving. So it is incrementing here. So this one is we are going to call pre-increment, end with semicolon. So next one is solution using test and set. So here we are using these two operations to solve the hardware solution to the critical section problems. So shared boolean variable log initialize to false, solution while true in bracket, while test and set in bracket log bracket complete. So here executing the critical section, do nothing in the critical section, it is going to set the log equal to false. Then after executing this critical section, means the process releasing, then to take the remainder section. So here is the program critical sections. The part of programs process that are accessing and changing the shared data is called the critical section. Here number of processes are given and changing those variables x and y. So here three types of process given, process P1, P2, P3, and these are those processes are exchanging the variables. So program lifetime and its structure, considering process, it might be execute critical section code from the time to time. It may be execute non-critical section code remainder section other times. Means what here? Once the process is executing, it is not allowing to execute any other process. We should not allow more than one process to be in the critical section region where they are manipulate the same shared data. So here only allowing one process in the critical section. So this is the structure of how to work this critical section. The general way to do that is do critical section remainder section while in bracket true. So here we are going to set the boolean values for the variables. So here do, reading the section here, after that critical section, then section reminder, and close this while loop with the true variable. So solution to the critical section problem is mutual exclusion, progress and bounded waiting. If process PI is executing in its critical section, no other process can be executing in their critical section. Means what? Mutual exclusion is only allowing one process to be executed in the critical section. Progress in the sense of what? If no process is executing in critical section, exists some processes that wish to enter their critical section, then the selection of that process will enter critical section. Next cannot be posted indefinitely, means here no deadlocks. Means progress in the sense of what? Once the process executing completion, after that it will going to allow for any other process want to execute in critical section, it is going to allowing for those kinds of processes. Bounded wait means what? Here the bounded must exist no number of times, means here not going to set the timing for that processes. That process are allowed to enter their critical section after the process has made a request to enter into the critical section before the request is granted. So no starvation of the process. So algorithm for process Pi do the flag I equal to true, flag equal to true, turn equal to j, while flag I and turn is equal to j. After this initializing, it will going to allowing for run to the critical section, which is flag I equal to fall. Means here exit session with that flag value going to be changed, and remainder section while equal to 1. So here two processes executing concurrently, process Pi and process Pj. Two processes are executing. This is the code of the sharing variable for flag and turn. So hardware synchronization hardware in the sense of what? Here we can use some hardware support if available for protecting critical section. So disable interrupts may be sometime only kernel, not on multi processes. Special machine instructions and lock variables set and test and set and swap. So why we need this hardware synchronization means what? Here critical section to more efficient to run the system to these processes. So the result will come to the efficient of result will getting. For that reason we are going to synchronize this hardware and software to the critical section. So critical section using locks, problem using locks. So do acquire locks critical section, release the lock. Why we are using lock here? So no other process come and interrupts the running process. That reason we are using here locks. So synchronization hardware, therefore we need to use the special machine instruction that testing and setting automatically or smooth, something like that, like swapping. So here we are going to using this test and settings and as well as swapping. These are the operations we are going to using. These operation we can solve the hardware solution to the critical section problems. So possible atomic, this is a older version, this test and set. Non-interruptible machine instruction, test and set and swap. So this is the example for how to we are run this set and instruction codes. this is the solution for using test and set. So these are the summary of we are studied to solve the hardware solution to the critical section problems. These are the references we are using for this operating system, and given below the links of websites. Thank you.